Na online pepper dem na im Judy Austin and Yul Edochie dey do oo. Nothing dey there, nothing to envy dem about, nothing to even about. No be because of Yul Edochie and Judy Austin you go kpai yourself, go dey drag your husband for inside house say e no dey do dis public show of affection. Oh, go and see Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. People are still saying they won't last. They are getting along. See now, 4 years don pass, they are still going. Na lie oo. Na online social media show off na im dem dey oo. Peace no dey inside house oo. Dem no even recognize dem as husband and wife oo. No level for Judy and Yul Edochie oo. No go let their picture, their video wey dem dey post for social media make you dey think otherwise oo. Even though say their own never cast like Chochi and Rosemora own, nothing dey there oo. I say make I let una know. No be say you come dey say shebi dey say dem no go last. Dem don do 4 years together. Na lie oo. Dem no dey oo. Who no even dey relationship better pass Judy Austin and Yul Edochie? Una hear wetin Kanayo talk today na, abi? After Chochi Olankule come out yesterday say there was no legally recognized marriage, there was no church wedding or court wedding, it was just an introduction. So therefore the idea of say Rosemora file for divorce is baseless. Say na im and Tonto na im had issue, so they can resolve it as they want and how they want to resolve it. Nobody, im no say Rosemora, not even Rosie, had the right to interfere. Una hear wetin Olankule Chochi talk yesterday. May not be like say na me dey talk am, make I read am as e take put am. False divorce claim and public misinformation. Let me address this directly. The reports circulating online about a supposed divorce between myself and Rose Limora are completely false. There is no truth to them and they should be treated as such. There was no legally recognized marriage. There was no church wedding and no court wedding. What took place was just an introduction. Therefore, the idea of divorce is baseless from the onset. Beyond that, any legitimate legal process requires that all parties be formally served and given the opportunity to respond. I was never served. So I ask a simple question. What exactly is being presented to the public and how was it obtained? I am 100% sure that individuals without proper experience in the media space are advising Rosemora incorrectly, alongside legal practitioners who operate under a mango tree without due process and claim to produce divorce documents within 24 hours. Looking at the alleged hearing and judgment dates, I am left asking, is this even possible in Nigeria? At times, it is necessary to allow a man handle his responsibilities without interference, most especially when you were carried along. That is part of his role and duty. Entering a relationship with a man who already has a child and existing issues with a child's mother requires understanding that such matters are between the both parties involved. If Tonto Dike offended anyone, it should be me alone. And if I offended anyone, it should be Tonto. However, we have both chosen to forgive each other. I believe she has changed and she's now in a better place. I do not agree with the narrative that Rosemora stood by me in a way that should not be exaggerated, while I acknowledge that she faced public criticism. It is important to state that if she had not been there, someone else would have occupied that position in my life. Issues within my relationship should have been left for me to address, including defending her publicly when necessary. Hey, God, I don't even know how to summarize everything that Chochi said. First of all, he said he not send Rosemora may come fight for her. How I wish Rosie was not even there. Someone else would have occupied that space as well. Wetin happened between him and Tonto Dike now between both of them. He don't need anybody to interfere. He don't know where this divorce they come from. Say he not do church wedding. He not do court wedding. Now only introduction now he do for Rosemora head. So he don't know how this divorce certificate when they fly around social media where it come from. In all, he don't forgive Tonto Dike because she know now say Tonto is in a better place. She don't accept God, a new born again Christian, evangelist. So my people, as Chochi dropped that update yesterday, una know now, internet catch fire. The internet was actually on fire yesterday. Everybody come begin do Rosemora unto. Na Rosemora na Chochi talk to, but na Judy Austin na dey come even drag pass. Since yesterday, we never drink water drop cup. As Rosemora dey collect woto, na so Judy Austin dey collect. Even Angela Okorie can't even come out say wetin dey snatch no dey last. Na woman with low self-esteem na dey go for leftover food wey another woman eat remain. Say she na alpha female, she can never go for a married man. Even man wey don first get family, she no dey try and go. Any woman wey you see say dey happy, dey gadabu, say na second wife, third wife, fourth wife, fifth wife, know say that woman get low self-esteem. She can't go for what be, as in she can't go for her own. She always go for remina. She always go for another woman's vomit. If another woman no vomit, she no dey eat. People like Judy Austin. My people, na Kanayo come react today say this is not only in Yoruba, as in Igbo where e come from. Marriage like Judy Austin and Yul Edochie doesn't even exist. Like you can't even call them couple because they are not married. Marriage when they go carry people from Onitsha, make they come go pay Judy Austin bride price. That one no be marriage, and there is no even evidence that Yul actually paid her bride price. Say there is no marriage between Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, that they should just stop deceiving themselves. Kanayo said such marriage is not recognized in Igbo, where e come from. Say man go wan marry im wife, you go hire kinsman, make e come follow and go pay the wife dowry. Say when his biological parents are still very much alive, that such marriage should not be counted as one. Omo, Kanayo throw the bullet go meet Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. Say Judy Austin na side chicken, side hen. Say Judy should not even say it that she is married to Yul Edochie. If Yul Edochie and Judy Austin own happen the way Rosemora and Chochi own take happen, na Judy own go worse pass. Because none of Yul Edochie family or Judy Austin family know Yul papa compound. Like Papa Judy Austin no know Sir Pete Edochie for ordinary ground. Na only video where they watch am for movie, now you know say this one na my daughter supposed husband father-in-law. So Judy should not in any way be addressed as a wife, should not call herself a married woman. She should not even say she's married to Yul Edochie because there was no marriage. Such marriage self is an abomination. Any woman where the man not pay her bride price, because according to Chochi, he say na only introduction na him do on top Rosemora head. Na Rosie not let us drink water for social media drop cup for years. She dey call herself queen of all queens, husband snatcher association. Birds of same feather like Judy Austin, they no dey let person sleep. Judy no dey let us hear word for social media, always posting Yul. If you sign your thing say all is well. The man when she even dey claim say she snatch now from Queen May, she no even dey see the man take do. They dey live for the same country, but e be like say Yul dey live for diaspora. If Yul even go for a visit, Judy go begin happy like say tomorrow no dey. What a big shame. You see the kind shame and disgrace, public disgrace, when Chochi give Rosemora yesterday. Women, avoid another woman husband. Stop using yourself as a consolation item for these men. These men need to heal. After they heal, they go dump you. Anyway, I love how Kanayo come out, come chook mouth for the matter. Say, this is a warning to women. This is a warning to some women. Introduction, not be marriage. They do small thing on top my head, not be marriage. Not be marriage. Judy not get the one when she dey on for Yul Edochie. Bride price, they not pay. Church wedding, they not do. Court wedding, they not do. Traditional wedding, they not do. No evidence. Judy not get picture when you take carry people come her papa compound. No evidence. How I wish video or pictures even dey. I believe say Judy for don post am for years, but nothing like that existed. But see how Judy rush Yul, dey born put, use capital letter, write im name for all social media platform. Exactly what Rosemora did. She was happy. The man is now hers. I can do anything to make him happy. She was pounding, doing pepper them. They directly and indirectly, they drag Tonto Dike. Today now, shebi she don't chop her own breakfast. Hey, God. Anyway, I just say make I let una know say Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, mona no dey call dem couple again o, according to Kanayo, say na abomination, alu for Igbo, for where he come from. Say Yul cannot even call Judy Austin his wife, and maybe that's the reason why Yul has refused to address Judy publicly on media as his wife. He dey always write episode, write caption, my ijele, my love, my this. Yul cannot call her his wife because it's an abomination. And wow, God forbid bad thing. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I will see you all on my next upload.